Guys, this is your reminder of the day. The reason kung bakit marami sa atin hindi lumalago yung network marketing business natin or even hindi lumalago yung buhay natin, ito yan. Kasi marami sa atin, we are so concerned sa kung ano yung opinion ng ibang tao, kung ano yung sasabihin nila sa atin, kung ano yung magiging tingin nila sa atin. Guys, hindi ka nag-i-invite ng mga tao para bentahan ng mga bagay na hindi kailangan. You are not approaching them para sayangin yung oras na meron sila. You are inviting or approaching them kasi tinitingnan mo if these people would be needing your product or will be needing yung opportunity na meron ka. Tandaan mo, not everyone kailangan ng produkto mo. Not everyone as well nakikita yung opportunity na meron ka na makakatulong sa kanila. But guess what? The reason kung bakit mo sila ini-invite para ipakita. Some of them will join. Some of them hindi. Sabi nga some will join, some will not. So what? So what daw? Someone is waiting. The reason why we're inviting them because tinitingnan natin, sila ba yung mga tamang tao na pwede nating iserve through the product and opportunity na meron tayo. Kung hindi sila yon, then okay, move on. Kung sila yon, then guess what? They would buy the product,